In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Crypto.com to your bank account. So first, go and open up the Crypto.com app and just go to your account section in the bottom. Now first, you will need to sell the cryptocurrency that you want to withdraw for a fiat currency. So you can see right here in my crypto, for example, I can sell my Kronos. So just going to click sell whatever cryptocurrency you want to withdraw to your bank account and choose how much you want to do, and then click sell. And then confirm and enter your passcode. And now you will have it in your fiat currency, which for me is euro. For you it could be US dollar or pound, whatever currency you use. And now that it is in cash, just go and click on your cash and then your euro or USD or GBP account, whichever one you use again. And from there click withdraw. And then what you can do is click on got it right here. So you must first make a successful deposit into your euro account before you can withdraw euro to your bank account. So basically the bank account you want to withdraw to, you first need to make a deposit using that bank account so that it is connected to your Crypto.com account. So when that's the case, it will show up right here. So I'll use my Revolut one. And then here you can now choose how much you want to do. Now you can see the minimum is 80 euros and the fee is 1 euro. Now I'll just do 100 euros, for example. Then from there you want to go and click on withdraw. And then you have the overview here. Now just click confirm and enter your passcode again. And then your 2FA code if you have that set up. And then you will see your request is pending for review. So now they will just review it. And once they have reviewed it, it will then be withdrawn to your bank account. And you can see in some cases a manual review can take up to 1 business day, but usually it will be faster and it will just be deposited to your bank account. So now you know how to withdraw money from Crypto.com to your bank account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.